Hi, and we're going to be doing some Cuban salsa moves at kind of between an advanced beginner and early intermediate level in this video. I'm Barbara Bernstein from DanceInTime, and this is my friend and colleague, Camille. So the way this is done, it's essentially 3 enchuflas with the same partner. First, it's a regular enchufla, and then the gentleman goes under his own left arm, and he backs to the center. The lady is looking into the center. And the next 4 beats, they switch places so that the leader is looking into the center, and the follower is looking out from the center and back to the center of the circle. And then he brings the follower to come next to him to his right before the usual ending, which is that the guy rocks in and initiates a cross-body lead. Here's what it looks like. 5, 6, and here we go. Pati pa mi. 5, 6, 7. It's 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. The next move we're going to do is Adios con la Hermana. Now this is a combination of Adios and Pati pa mi. We start on beat 3 with the embrace that we do in Adios and immediately go into the ending of Pati pa mi. Here's what it looks like. Adios con la Hermana. In one more time. It's 1, 2, 3. So here we are in the adios position, and now I do pati pa mi. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. The guy rocks in and cross body lead. The next thing I'm going to show you is just a fun way that we can end moves, whether it's any move that ends with a partner exchange. Enchufa, enchufa doble, adios. If you call the move and then say arriba at the end, then instead of picking up the partner who is in the direction that we normally flow, you go to the previous partner. So we normally flow counterclockwise. So instead, I would pick up the partner who would be in the clockwise direction from me. So I'm going to relinquish my buddy here and have her pretend that she's dancing with someone else as their follower, and I'm leading, and I've got an imaginary follower right here. And my next partner I'm going to pick up is Camille. 5, 6, and here we go. Enchufla Arriba. In one more time. It's do our enchufla, quick, quick, slow. I go to the previous girl and cross body lead, out and together, and forward and together. The next move I'm going to do is called Kentucky. Now, I don't know how these steps got these names, by the way. I've always considered that this is something that someone made up and that Rueda dancers can entertain themselves by wondering about this by the fireside on slow winter nights. But I'm not aware of any particular rationale for calling this Kentucky or many of the other moves having their names. But the way this is done is as follows. Kentucky, I go in one more time. First, my left goes over her head. 1, 2, 3, and I bring it to about waist level or slightly above. Now, the follower is just going to do back rock. She's got an easy job for the rest of this move. And the leader kind of does all the work. So next, I'm going to back rock and bring my hand to her shoulder. Okay, we both did back rocks in that case. Now I'm going to do another back rock, and so is she. And quick, quick, slow, I bring my right hand to my left shoulder, and now I'm going to both move forward, so I'm on the circumference, because right now I'm behind her, I'm a little behind the circumference of the circle, and I'm going to only let my left arm go overhead. I'm going to go quick, quick, slow, And as soon as I get around to face the center, I let go, and that's it. Guy rocks in and cross-body lead. The trick in this is that most beginners are not used to using their arms separately and isolating those muscles. So they tend to bring both arms over instead of just the left. Watch what that looks like. It's much less elegant. Kentucky, in one more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. It's like hauling around. So what we're doing is the right hand stays on the leader's left shoulder, and only his left arm goes up and over. So watch. Kentucky, in one more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. When we do Kentucky, another way that's a little more sophisticated that it can be done is with what is called a ronde instead of stepping through the turn before the ending of the move. Kentucky, in one more time. Over with one hand, to the waist, to the shoulder, then to my shoulder. And now here, instead of step, 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 I can do a ronde, which by definition is right behind left, and one of these things where I'm just twirling without lifting my feet. Woo! And I rock forward and cross-body lead. So that is a little more difficult than stepping through it, quick, quick, slow. So I always teach people first to step through it, but then if you want to do it kind of fancy, you can always do the ronde. Here's another move. This is called Pelota Loca. It's an enchufla, just like the other pelotas are at the beginning, but then we have a kind of cool and fun clap and stomp rhythm before you go to the next partner, instead of, as in Pelota Condos, it's just stomp, stomp, clap, clap, which is kind of plain vanilla. This is a little bit of a snazzier rhythm. It's stomp, clap, 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 and then we move to our partner cross-body lead, resuming the quick, quick, slow rhythm. So let's try it. Pelota Loca. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That's our enchufla. And then stomp, 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 and move to my partner and cross-body lead. Now you may notice when you do this that you're actually stepping an odd number of times. It's stomp, stomp, stomp. That's 3 separate steps. As a result of that, you have to step twice with the same foot, because to move to your partner, we're always, as a leader, stepping left, right, left. Follower, if Camille leads me, the follower steps twice with her right. Pelota Loca. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Stomp, 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 clap, 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 and I back rock in place with my right and cross body lead. So again, both lead and follow step twice with the same foot, which is very unusual. Normally, we always are switching the weight from the right to the left. The next move we're going to do is called Enchufla con Exhibe. Now, Exhibe is something that I consider an add-on step. It can be added to many different moves to lengthen them and make them a little fancier. In an Exhibe, the girl's footwork is like a right turn. She goes back and together, and then she does a right turn. Left, right, left, again in 3 beats. One of the things that you want to bear in mind on an Exhibe is that you bring your feet exactly together. There's a tendency to go 1, 2, 3, and then turn like that. It's a very different look. So in an Exhibe, I'm very careful about bringing feet together and then doing the turn. So it's right, and then left, right, left. When we do an Exhibe in partnership, the follower's feet point to the center, and the leader's feet point to the follower. So watch what this looks like. 5, 6, and here we go. Enchufla con Exhibe. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. The guy rocks in and cross body lead. Now, when the leader is actually leading her to do the exhibe, which is also called exhibola, the leader can either go side and together, back and together, stepping complete side rock, or he can cross his feet, going side, step, and cross, side, step, and cross. Either way is acceptable footwork for the lead. So again, if we do the exhibe here, I'm actually moving her back. I'm looking this way, she's looking this way, and I'm moving her back and together, and then I lead the turn and together. Then I switch to face the center and cross body lead. When we do Candado, we start similar to an Enchufla, but we're holding both hands. So for Candado, we hold both hands over with the left and bring it back. Over with the left and bring it back. Over with both hands, I put my right on my left shoulder and I turn in place. And walk, 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 walk. Arriba is called on beat 1, 5, 6, 7. I turn 8 beats later. And Dili Kano is called on 1, quick, quick, slow. The guy rocks in and cross body lead. So now we're going to do some of the steps that we've gone over in partnership to music. Music. Pati pa mi. Adios con la hermana. Kentucky. Enchufla con Exhibe. Pelota Loca. Candado. Arriba. Dili Kano.